Welcome to the 2018 NEAHMA Conference at Gillette Stadium.
Today we brought together 400 industry professionals from both the management and the maintenance side of the business to take part in a very extensive one-day training and education session here at Gillette Stadium.
This event is important to us at HD Supply because it's our opportunity to give directly back to the community.
Sherwin-Williams is a partner of NEAHMA, and we feel that this training is extremely important so that these technicians can go back to their sites, maintain a safe community for all the residents.
We as a company will always support this program. It's outstanding. People get the education, they get to network with one another, and they're having an outstanding time.
NEAHMA does a great job, including many different speakers from disciplines within the maintenance field that give an opportunity for our guys to learn new things, to share ideas, to share experiences, and to bring those back to our properties.
The educational sessions are great, and all of the maintenance guys receive continuing education credit to be here.
Today's event is very informative. I learned a lot of things about efficiency, a lot of building products.
This is my first event that I've visited, and I've interacted with a number of people that I wouldn't normally have a chance to meet.
I would highly recommend this show for anybody, any vendor, any supplier, and even maintenance professional to attend.
We got to get some good information from our vendors. It was very informative, also fun.
It's a terrific event. I encourage anybody that's interested to definitely come in the future.
Today's been a great day. I do want to thank our main event sponsors, ARS Restoration, HD Supply, and Sherwin-Williams for sponsoring today's event. And I look forward to seeing you all next year.